Animals play an essential role in regulating the Earth's climate. Through their grazing habits, they help control vegetation growth, which in turn influences carbon storage in plants and soil. Herbivores like wildebeests stimulate plant growth, affecting carbon sequestration and water retention in ecosystems. Marine animals, such as whales, contribute to nutrient cycling through their fecal plumes, which promote the growth of phytoplankton, a critical player in carbon absorption. Without these animals, the delicate balance of Earth's climate regulation could be disrupted, leading to uncontrolled carbon levels and climate instability. Their absence would pose challenges in maintaining a stable climate, impacting ecosystems and human societies.